Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to check how to install the Facebook app on your Mac using a simple workaround. If you're new, hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. I'll show you the steps in a slow and simple way. Let's get started. Step 1, open your browser and go to the Facebook website by typing www.f.com. Step 2, click and drag the URL from the browser tab to your desktop. This will create a shortcut to Facebook. Step 3. Now go to mycon.io and search for a Facebook icon you like. Download it to your Mac. Step 4. Right-click the Facebook shortcut on your desktop and select Get Info. Then drag the new icon to the top left corner of the info window to replace the default icon. Step 5. Rename the shortcut to Facebook by clicking on its name. Now you can open Facebook from your dock anytime like a real app. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.